High-speed internet is old news to Ukrainians, since they have one of the fastest broadband connections in Europe. Mobile internet is a different story. While the world was using LTE and testing 5G, Ukrainians just got their hands on 3G. In this perspective, new speed felt outdated even before it was on. The challenge was to bring back the excitement for MTS 3G launch. We created a website where 3G speed competes with gravity in a spectacular race. The phone is uploading a photo while falling from the highest monument in Europe. What would be faster? Smooth interactive experience makes user a part of the story. With the help of parallel shots made from 5 different cameras, he could dive into the process completely. Standing on top of the monument with POV camera, or watching a photo uploading while the phone races to the ground. Website brings immersive digital journey, step by step revealing additional data and sketches of devices used to carry out these experiments. Project resulted in 240,000 website visitors, spending more than 2 minutes on average. 3G speed has never been so tangible and exciting.